As you can see, since our last video, we have been very busy doing our winter projects. We have added the KST Comanche bars, the stage 1 intake, the K&N air filter, the ultimate seats with heat option for driver and passenger, and customized name. And today we are going to add the Custom Dynamics ProGlow. That way it glows. Cue in that intro. We went with the full bike kit and the dual caliper front wheel kit. The wheel pods connect to the inside of your calipers, and we ran the wires up along the brake lines to keep it nice and clean. As with all Custom Dynamic products we have added before, it is an easy install and simply plug and play. This kit comes with a total of 11 strips, 2 wheel pods, Bluetooth controller, 6 wired extensions, a 5-way splitter, and end caps. You have to download the ProGlow app from either Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. Select the device, then ProGlow, then scan for your Bluetooth on your bike. On the main screen, you'll see these 2 arrows that can be used to speed up or slow down the different settings, such as breathe, strobe, or wave. As you can see here, the first option is solid, and you can move the different zones around to have them all the same color or have the front, mid, or rear different colors. This option is breathe, and again you can use the arrows to speed up or slow it down, the transitions. If you want to grab some attention, use strobe. Under themes, you can select Ride, which is just a solid color. Range provides a variety of blinking combinations with sharp transitions. Wave has a steady blinking combinations and smooth transitions. My favorite options under the chasing pattern is called Flame, and you can use the slide at the bottom to speed up or slow down the light pattern as well as adjust the brightness of the lights. Under Patriotic, where the lights chase from front to back, changing from red, white, and blue. Meteor provides a slow chase like a meteor shower in the sky from front to back. Tropics give you a kind of a disco ball type of effect. You can also custom design your own, and then there's Chase. Under Music, you can add music from your library, and the app will sync to the beats and adjust from solid colors to multiple colors and modes. You can add an optional brake alert feature, but we already have the bag lights and plasma rods, so we didn't have to install this feature. The ProGlow will definitely increase your visibility at night and make a hit at your next bike night. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Riding season is almost here and we have a lot of trips planned for this year.